Okay, we're back. We're back. Hi, everybody. We're here for the last hour of trading today. Welcome to Friday. Bruce needs a haircut. Welcome to Friday. It's 3 in the afternoon Eastern time. It's Friday, May the 6th, our final hour. Options are closing out today, and we're watching, as usual, a ton of stuff. We've got the Dow off 310 points right now. We've been gyrating around here, looking for direction. We really only went positive once. That was just before 11 this morning. We couldn't do it. We tried around just before 1 o'clock, couldn't do it, and have backed off again. We're now down 294 on the session. Now, S&P is down 46, Nasdaq's down 229. And oil's up 173 to 110. Now, the loser of the day is Nasdaq. It's off 1.86%. The S&P down 1.1 and the Dow down 0.96. So it's almost a 2-to-1 ratio for the Nasdaq losing twice as much in percentage terms as the Dow is losing. And so if the Dow is off 320 right now, the Nasdaq is the equivalent of being down 650 right now, about 650 Dow points. That's how badly Nasdaq is compared to Dow. Okay, now stocks we're following. Our friend Nick is watching Texas Instruments, and he needs this thing to go down under 165. It's at 166.34. Nick, you are so close. It's so close. 166.34. The low of the day, 165.95. You're almost there into the right territory. The hope is that it just keeps on going. 166.33. ATIP is down 10 cents to 160. Rocket Lab is down 26 cents to 652. SoFi is off 43 cents to 640. We had an opening at 682. We went down to 636. We went back up around noon, 11 o'clock to about 678. Then we started backing off, and now we're trickling along at 640, down 43 cents. Hit the low of all time, 601. Today's low, 636. Right now, 640, down 43 cents on 42.8 million. Not a heavy day of trading. Average day of trading. I'll give it that. All right. So we'll watch to see how it closes out today. GameStop 114.62, down 451. Now the shares. They opened today at 117.28. They went right down to the low of the day just before 10 o'clock to 110.28. And I was wondering, are we going to test this 110 again? Are we going to break it? What's going to happen? Didn't happen then. It went over 2 hours. It went up to the high of the day, 120.55, around 11:15. That's as high as it got. And now it is 114.45, down 468, coming into the last now 56 minutes. Volume today, 1.4 million. Not enough to support this stock's price. It has to trade more than this. Interesting. All right, so we're watching to see how GameStop reacts between now and the last hour. Are we going to go back to 110? Is the Dow going to drop 200 or 300 from here and have just a lousy close? Or is it going to try a little rally again? Well, stay tuned. We'll be here. Those of you who wrote options today, if you wrote options when this thing hit 120.21, you got to be smiling from ear to ear here. These suckers are coming back. These contracts that you wrote are dropping. You got to be doing well. Keep an eye on this, of course. Twitter down 55 cents to 49.81. Carvana down 4.04 to 44.88. AMC down 88 cents to 13.81. Matterport 5.01 down 31 cents. This range on Matterport today, we were down right off the opening at 4.86. That was the low, 486.2 cents or something like that. Got up to 5.32, about 11 something. And now we're at 5.02. And so we're still ahead 16 cents from the low of the day, but we're off 31 cents on the day on 6 million shares on Matterport. So it's a bargain, but it is 5.01. Sextera up 6 cents. 23andMe is down 8.5 to 275.5. Spire at 166, up 3 cents. It's a winner today. Haycroft Mining down 5 cents. Smart Rent down 15 cents to 4.28. We were as low as 4.24 in the morning, got up to 451, and now we've backed off again to 428 on 361,000 shares. Very quiet. Buys are up 34 cents at 48.79. We've been higher. We had a high of 49.16, could not hold it as this market is backing off again. Hewlett Packard down 79 cents to 37.12. The low this morning, 36.32. The bargoon down there. So you're trading at 6.6 times earnings, this guy. This company is a moneymaker, spinning off cash, buying back its stock, raising its dividend. Super cheap stock. One to buy, or you buy deep in the money calls on this one and write options. You write 39s and 40s and just make money. Robinhood down 63 cents to 9.98. It should be down here, if not worse than this. I don't even know why it's up here. Vanek Vectors SMH, the ETF, 231 a share, down 375. It's been positive twice, but can't hold it. Home Depot down 718 to $291. IBM is up 71 cents, 136.63. Microsoft down 4.69. Looks like it is near its low of the day. The low number today, 271.36. We're at 272.74. High today, 279. 279.23. So we've come off almost like $6.5, $7 from the high today. Apple down 17 cents, just turned negative a few minutes ago. Had been positive since about 10 this morning. Got up to 159. It's now 156. 160 is resistance. 150 is support. That's where it is now. Goldman, 308.85, down 422. Cisco down 67 cents to 48.94. 50 is resistance. Facebook, 203, down 450. Amazon down $51 to 2,276. Tesla's down $14 to $858. Google down $32.91 to 2,302. Bed Bath Beyond down 93. BlackBerry down 21. Royal Caribbean $69.98. When's the last time we saw a 69 handle on this thing? Down 361. Now nowhere near the 80s anymore. This is getting a little more reflective. Still got $25 to go, but it's on its way down. Target down 575. JP Morgan down $1.26. Costco down another $16 today. Lost 30 yesterday. Yikes. Walmart down 4. Nvidia down 4. Disney down to 109, down 290. American Airlines down 84 cents to $17.70. Got up to 21 something a couple of weeks ago. Everybody thought, oh, it's all great. We can take our masks off. We'll all go flying again. It's all going to be great. It's not great. It's not going good at all. We're all down. No, 17.72. We're down 83 cents. Yuck. Netflix down $8 to 180 on Netflix. Moderna down $10 a share. There you go. It's a red day. The market now down 390 on the Dow. And the low of the day is 32,474. So we still have to lose $130, 130 points from here to hit the low of the day, but it is backing off down 389. It barely broke even just around 11 o'clock for a few minutes, and that was it. It's been red all day. Alrighty, 166.07 on Texas Instruments. So close to breaking 166, heading for the 165 neighborhood. Nick, you're getting closer. And GameStop 114.09 now, down 504 on the shares. The low of the day, 110.23. The high of 120.56. So a 650 drop from the high to here, and 114.09. We've got 51 minutes to go, everybody. Welcome to the party as we are closing out Friday to see what is going to happen here. How are you doing? Are any of you able to buy back calls on your stink bids? Kind of curious if anyone's been having any luck there. Shez is saying, stupid IBM. I needed to go down to 135. Instead, it went up $1 to 137. The only stock that went up today. Oh, Christina, if you're wondering, yes, my $7 order filled, and I made $800 today. Way to go, Christina. Writing those calls and buying them back. Nicely done. A wonderful way to make money on a Friday, wouldn't you say? That is great. Another option writer here. Nicholas, I'm thumbs up 21. Kareem, I'm number 20. Hector, good afternoon. Kent, Christina, congratulations. Another one. Odin's Pumpkin is here. thumbs up 25. Good afternoon, Bear Mafia. Welcome, Coyote. Says, Bitcoin scored some SoFi at 650, 200 more shares. Right now, 639. You can score them here too. Unbelievable. DQ number 28 thumbs ups. Thank you. Christina, thank you. Kent, my goal of 500 got met 9 times over. Crazy world we are living in. Christina has had a great week, and you can too. The option classes are waiting for you at my website. There's 12 of them right now. We're making number 13 tomorrow live at 2 o'clock Eastern time. And this is the last day of our sale. If you want to get 4 classes for the price of 3, today's the last day to take advantage of that. If you want to know what classes to watch first, start with number 1 and just go up to number 12. It's as simple as that. Thank you to those of you who have taken advantage of this deal all this week and last week. Some of you have purchased 8 classes for the price of 6, and a few of you have even done all 12 for the price of 9. Congratulations, you've got yourself hours and hours of viewing here. These classes, 1 hour, 40 minutes to 2 hours, 10 minutes long. You want to learn about how to write options and make money like these guys are doing right over here? You got to take the classes. They were basically pretty well in all of my classes, most of these folks. It's an investment, but I'll tell you, Christina has more than paid for every class she's ever taken. Any one-on-ones she's had with me, that's all been paid for just this week. She'll be doing this for the rest of her life. John Bickman, good afternoon, Bagel family. Zach, good afternoon, everybody. Zach, I'm number 34, thumbs ups. Larry is here. How you doing, buddy? Welcome to the show. Smiling ear to ear like that, says Coyote. Mirko, hello, everybody. Hello, Mirko. Alberto, I think I'm smiling. Wouldn't be able to tell until the transfer is over. Let's go. Zach, I just spent $250 at Costco. It will pop soon. You're welcome. There you go. Duncan is here. Mirko, Charlie Munger will be happy. Coyote, Zach, G, market mover behavior. H, Gregory, thumbs up number 51. H, Gregory, I know IBM is a beast. Duncan, ready, Golden Bagel members. H. Gregory, watching the Bears. Bama Babe is here. Shiz, same on IBM, but scored twice on SMH by rinsing and repeating. Making money. Scott Brewer, it's a rainy day. Hope you guys don't mind red. Scott Brewer, we got the Bears going here. Shiz, Bama Babe, I'm almost a wash due to an option on Goldman Sachs that went very well. Nice. Let's see, Zach, Coyote, we all have to do our part. Coyote, I wish it was raining here. It rained last night, and I slept like a baby bear cub. Duncan, good afternoon. Zach, DQ, Shez, Mama Babe, that's the reason it's called YBM. Austin, red is good, right? DQ, got it, says Bama Babe. We're down 339 on the Dow. GameStop, 114.72 to 73 right now. Texas Instruments 166.28 down 285 coming down. We've got SoFi at 640 right now, down 43 cents. The low of the day 636 on 43.3 million. Some stocks we want to go up. Some stocks we don't mind if they go down. We're making money whenever they go up. Certain stocks we sell into strength. You write options into a little rally and take a position with an out-of-the-money call, write a call for a week, 2-3 weeks left to go, and watch it depreciate over time. Or if the stock wants to pull back intraday, you'll see a stock pull back and you'll make money. It's as simple as that. It takes a bit of training, it takes a bit of practice, and that's why the folks here are here every day. We're comparing notes all the time. Wing Commander, hello, back from an intense 2 days worth of rhetoric training. Let me tell you, though, option writing stops for nothing. Currently sitting on a 125 covered call for May the 27th on GameStop. Right on. Red is good for the casino. That's right. You are casino owners, and red is your color. She says, why can't these stocks just behave themselves? Zach, Stock Marshals Bruce decided to bite the bullet on the last day of your deal. Could have had nearly 200 more Spire. But I took your 4 classes. Thank you, Professor B. I think an investment you'll be very happy with, I am sure. Now, Credit Savage, wow, this market is yuck. We're down 360 on the Dow right now. 166.14 on Texas Instruments, down 299 and falling. GameStop, 114.28, 114.27, and falling back. Mallard Meat is here. Mallard Meat has become a YouTube member. Mallard Meat has joined us as a Gold Bagel member. Mallard, you're one of these guys right up here. You're at the top. You're at the top of the pyramid when it comes to this channel. Thank you for becoming a Gold Bagel member. Join me every morning before the 8:30 show starts, if you can, for trade alerts, and of course Wednesday nights a show just for Gold Bagel members, 8 o'clock Eastern time, hanging out with me. That's another benefit, and of course over here you get to use the knee emojis. Welcome, as all members do. Thank you all. Zach, welcome, Mallard Meat. 3 months down 44%, says Duncan on something. Credit Savage. I keep selling and buying the same covered calls back, and they keep going lower, and I keep buying, but still, yuck. I feel so cheap, and like I'm taking advantage of people. I'm going to change my name to Goldie. Well, I can tell you right now, Credit Savage, and anybody else around this channel, if you're writing calls and they go down in price, and you buy them back for less money, you make money. And if they go back up again and you write them again and they go back down and you buy them back, you make money. If you don't do it, you are leaving money on the table. Shame on you. And I don't know why you wouldn't make money when everyone out there is trying to make money, and they don't care how you feel. They don't care how you're doing. They don't care what you want to have for dinner tonight. They're looking to make money. And if they can make it off of you, they will, because they don't know who you are, and they're never going to know who you are. There are people out there looking to make money in the markets. I'm saying to you folks, why don't you make money writing options? They're handing it to you. Take the money. Be the casino and take the dough. Larry Titus, welcome. Mallard Meat. Coyote, back in college, my good friend and I did all of our computer science projects together. It was so helpful to be working on the same objective, discussing it together while working. You learn so much that way. This channel reminds me of that. Collaboration. Yeah, comparing notes. Exactly. It's great to have you all here. Shez, welcome, Mallard. Ventures with Duncan. Good afternoon, pal. Coyote, the Credit Savage house husband, Goldie stocks. Oh, man. Mirko, I bought back for $5.81 today a GameStop $120 May call I wrote. May 20. I sold it Wednesday for $10.59. I bought it back for $5.81. That is $5.11. No, it's not. What is that? $5 and I don't know. I can't do the math today. My brain is fried. That's almost 500 in profit. I sold a GameStop 120 May 27th at 10.98. Let's see how long it takes to buy back for about 50% off. Maybe Monday, laughing out loud. The stock right now is 113.69. You might get it back today. Look at this thing come down. I don't know. I can't read that. It's nothing personal. It's just business. Exactly, FL. This is just like The Godfather. You are writing calls and you're buying them back cheaper. People want to buy the calls. You're selling them the calls. They need the calls to gamble with. You're providing the gamble. Here's a call for you. Here's 5, here's 10, but however many you can write. Go ahead and go nuts. Gamble on the shares. I'm just going to sit back with my arms folded and watch this market back off, or watch the shares come down a bit, or just kind of drift along. And as each hour goes by, each day goes by, these contracts shrink in value because they're running out of time. There's only so much time these contracts are allowed to trade, and then they expire. I'll buy them back for a lot less money. Thank you very much. I'm not taking all your money. I'm just taking half your money. I'm taking a third of your money. I'm taking 3/4 of your money. I'm not taking all of your money. You can't blame me for that. I'm not making you completely poor, just a little poor. I was taking a little, just like The Godfather. Just give me a little piece, like Minucci in The Godfather. Of course, he didn't do too well at the end, but he just put his beak in for a little bit. Just let me wet my beak for a little bit here. Interesting, folks. Oh, are we having fun here? Mirko killing it, says Vilbus. Shez, the Credit Savage house husband. I had a second look on your pick. I thought it might not be PG rated. FL, it's not even an offer they can't refuse. They wake up and decide they want the action, so they'll pay you for it. That's exactly what it is. It's just like going to Vegas. We know when we go to Las Vegas, we're probably going to lose money. We kind of know when we land at the airport and we see the slot machines as we're walking to our baggage carousel, we know we're probably going to lose money, but we're probably going to have a good time. Hey, let these folks have a good time playing with your options. Take the money. Dow Jones down 374. Down 1.1% now. S&P down 57 points, down 1.39. NASDAQ down 268, down 2.18%. We are going lower right now. Let's see here. Bilbus, I've bought and sold another GameStop today. Weekly total now up to $893.80. Sitting on another 120 for next week right now and watching it go down. 114 on the stock right now, GameStop. As we speak. Mirko, there is a crazy bid ask right now on that 120 May 27, 1035, 785. Kind of weird. Can't just bought back my 120 on GameStop that I sold this morning. Congratulations. Another profit. H. Gregory, let me wet my beak a little. There it is. Credit Savage. I didn't land on Wall Street. Wall Street landed on me. There it is. Adventures with Duncan. EMG. How about that? Welcome, everybody. 397 is the down tick now on the Dow. We're approaching a 400-point drop. We're going lower. GameStop now 113.54. And look at the Texas Instruments, 165.97. 316 drop on that stock. Nick, you're getting closer. It's coming. It's just coming. Alberto, Mirko, nice work. Beach Boy, I leave you guys alone for a little bit, and Christina becomes a secret tycoon, and credit gold goes Goldie. What's up with you people? The world never stops evolving, Beach Boy. What can I say? I'm suspecting you must be getting closer and closer and closer to your market. Those contracts of yours are falling, I am sure. 113.65 on GameStop, down 548. Duncan, let me know when you use my power to simpletons. Let me know when you use my power. Dr. Walter, Beach Boy, Lavin, FL, got myself some Subway cookies. The guy was confused because I didn't want any sandwiches. Credit Savage. I feel like I should don a trench coat and stuff it with contracts, go downtown to the questionable areas and start saying to people, hey, psst, psst, what do you need? I got a cheaper 510. What do you need? Sean Lattimore, got your donation. Send me your list of classes. We'll get you looked after. Zach, powdered simpletons. Oh my. Fun stuff. We're down 398 on the Dow now. We're down 59 on S&P, 276 on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's down 2.2%. The Dow down 1.2%. So the NASDAQ would be down 7. The NASDAQ equivalent right now on the Dow would be 750 Dow points on the downside. It is backing up for sure. I just get the impression that the players don't want to be long stock going into the weekend. They want to be flat. We're down 400 on the Dow. And I think they're going to bail out, and we may have a last 20-minute sell-off here. I could be wrong. There might be a little bit of bargain hunting, but I don't know if you want to be long. We'll see. I think everyone wants to be flat. We're down 404 on the Dow. 113.50 now on GameStop. The low of the day, 110.23. Are we going to hit it is the question. Will we hit a new low on GameStop before the day is out? Let's see. Splayer, laugh out loud. Credit. Nicholas, this is going to be every Friday until the end of the war. That's how this is going to go. Bama, babe, shiz. I have had my best week to bring in cash on other covered calls. It's weird that the worst week for stocks is my best week for cash. There you go. Vilbus just pocketed another $75 for about a 45-minute trade, says Vilbus. Another quick in and out or out and in. There you go, Splitter. I hope this is I hope this at Carvana, quick $10 to $20 gain, and then out for a new SoFi at the low. Let's see how this works out. We're down 386 now on the Dow, 166.05 on 165.89 on Texas Instruments. We just dropped. We're down 407 on the Dow. We just had another sell wave come in here. SoFi 636 down 47 cents. GameStop 113.30 down 583. Going negative again. We're Carvana down 384. AMC is down 103 to 1366. Looking awful. Matterport 495.5 down 36 cents. Sixtera's down up 4 cents. 23andMe is down 9.5 to 274.5. We got Spire still up 2 cents. Hycroft down 7. SmartRent up down 15. Pfizer up 26. So some up, some down, some up, some down, but mostly negative here. Robinhood 997. Vanik down to $230, down 450. Home Depot down $8 to 291. IBM up 44 cents, hanging on at 136.36. Microsoft down 5.93 to 271. Apple 155.90 down 64 cents. Goldman down 451. Cisco down 73. Facebook down 538. Amazon down 62. Tesla is off 16, and Google down 38. More negative. The Dow down 411, and now it's showing 396. We are really jumping here with volatility. Computer buy and sell programs going to dominate this last 30 odd minutes in the day here. Cheryl, got your donation. Send me your list of classes and we'll get you set up. And you got some homework to do this weekend. Right on. Some of you are going to be studying this next few days. You got work to do. Right on. Let's see. Credit Savage bought back contracts I wrote on LCID for 2024, 45% profit. Bought back some SoFis for 25% profit in a day. It's crazy. Duncan Hollow Notes, Kiss is on my list. Alberto, I just need Google to hit 2,300 for 1 minute, please. Matthew, send me, well, you don't even need to send me a list, but send me an email, private email, telling me you just sent me that donation, and I will get you all 12 classes. All 12 are coming to you. Bama Babe, we may be one of the few YouTube groups smiling this week. I was thinking of that. I was just talking to Jennifer about it before we came on the air. I was just saying to her that a high number of you have been scoring this week, some nice gains on option writing. This is not going to end. We are going to be doing this for a while, and the sooner you newbies get into understanding what we're up to here, using these classes as your guide definitely will help you a 9 out of 10 of the steps of the way there. And then just hang out with us here. You'll figure it out. If you need additional help, you can always get me on a one-on-one. I will try to do, I will be doing one-on-ones from Europe. It's just a matter of the time differential and logistics and all of that. So if any of you would like to have a one-on-one session with me after you've done some classes or anytime you want to do it, just send me a private email and we'll see what we can do to set something up. Mirko, like Uncle Bruce said for the last couple of weeks, this is probably the best time for us option writers. Congrats, everybody. Duncan, I got you. Alberta Adventures, appreciate you. FL, with the losses from the past few weeks, my short positions outweigh my long positions. I guess I'm a bear now. Coyote, Mirko, trying to buy that one back, currently laughing out loud. Zach, Matthew, big spender. Mirko is saying, Coyote, me too, shades. We're down 327 on the Dow. We were just down around 400, so we're now at 316. Again, a buying selling program coming through. We're at 166.47 on Texas Instruments. We got SoFi at 640. We got GameStop at 113.35 to 48, somewhere in that range right here. 1338 right now is where we're at. Vilbus, this was the week I quit trying to time things completely right for the big covered call score, and instead I locked in modest to decent gains and just rode the waves over and over. There you go. BW, NPR article on student loan rate increases. It's expected for undergrad rates to jump from 3.7 to 5.1%. Graduate loans move from 5.2 to 7.66. Yow, guess they should have been paying down all this time. Alberta, we are all bears. Hear me roar. Duncan, hey, Friday, it's payday for me. Way to go. Nicola Harrison, got your donation. Send me an email for your lessons. We'll get you your 4 lessons. Splayer, it's only me or Carvana really looks like it would be trying to climb. Is Carvana really trying to do something? It's at 45.28, down 364. It's had a rough day today. It opened at 48, went down to 40, and then went back up to 48 again. Now at 45.28. It's been a rough ride for Carvana, to say the least. We're down 288 on the Dow. We're at make that 296 now on the Dow. We're down 45 on S&P. Nasdaq down 232. The Nasdaq's down 1.9%. It's not recovering very much, so this market may back off yet. We'll see. The Dow down 296. Bama Babe, Bilbus, that's how I do it. Less risky. I take a quick profit. I'm out of there. I write and I buy back and I score. I take the waves. And I just run with the waves and don't look for the home run. I hit singles. I make money hitting singles. All right. Let's see here. Chase, Uncle Bruce, I write about 45 contracts a week. These past 2 weeks have been generous without being overly aggressive. Way to go, Chase. Well done. Well done. The Dow down 254. Texas Instruments down 239 to 166.74. SoFi 641. GameStop 114.34. Just a little bump up with now 29 minutes to go. Kent, Bama Babe, and Vilbus. I've been starting to trade that way too. It's working. Vilbus, Bama, awesome. I missed a couple of the peaks, but I still did okay anyways. Dave the Mac guy, up 50% is just fine for me. Thank you very much. Not your daddy's doobie. SoFi. What's going to happen with SoFi? We find out on Tuesday after the market. That is their earnings release day. Right after the market, they will tell us how they're doing. They'll have their conference call after that. The question is, what will SoFi's numbers be? How will the street anticipate it? How will the street take it, appreciate it, hate it? What will analysts say? Would sure love to see a run on that stock here. Right now, 642. The low today, 634 on 45 odd million shares. GameStop 114.14. The Dow down 267 right now. FL is saying, I'm very pessimistic on Carvana. That business is a total mess. Short-term price action is unpredictable, but in the long run, they are a cash incinerator, not a good look when debt costs are going up. And this is the problem. 99 Nation Videos, always willing to drop a house on someone's sister and click my heels about it later. Right on. Oh, man. We're down 292 on the Dow now. Still watching this market. 275 now on the Dow Jones. We are down to 27 minutes to go. Welcome one, welcome all. Oil is up 196 to 110.22. This is the steepest fall in the market since 2020 when the virus first broke out and shut everything down. It's the first time hasn't been this bad since then. 114.02 on GameStop right now. 114.14-ish. Watching that closely to see if it has a fall off in the last 20 minutes or not. Will the 110 level be tested, or will it stay above that for now? Time will tell. Let's see, Uncle Bruce, I find that any brisk market upswing is more difficult to manage. Malo, hey, Uncle Bruce, did you get your payment for the classes? I sent you an email. Yes, sir, I got you. You're in the class. Alberto, Uncle has taken me from ashy to classy. Seems like illegal. Just seems illegal taking all this money. Well, they'll take it from you if you don't take it from them. So get greedy. Jace, for me, Jace saying, Nick, number 88, Bruce, I'm number 88, thumbs ups for you. Bama Babe Phillips, I keep a spreadsheet of all my earnings and covered call rights. This way I learn from the history of each stock I wrote on. Mallow, I bought 200 SoFi at 635, ready to rock. Thank you very much. 642 right now on that stock. John, Biggie reference, Alberto, Gangsta, Duncan, Splair TV, how many Sanford and Sons have you been watching? Credit Savage, Francis, welcome to the Bear Club. I don't know how many people on here realize that, but we are elated when the market is red after a run-up. So most are bears, and yet they deny it. FX is here, number 87 thumbs ups. Thank you, my friend, for giving us the 87th thumbs ups today. Nick, TXN manipulation is the finest at its finest. Who's holding this up and now allowing to go down below 165? Who is that? 166.60 down 253. Just need another $2 or $3 drop, and Nick will be a happy guy. Adventures of Duncan. Good afternoon, everybody. Sorry, not allowing it to go down. Nick is saying they're not allowing it. We'll see. 166.72 down 241 on the Texas Instruments. Goldman, GameStop 114.15 right now. SoFi at 642 down 41 cents. Lots going on, watching a whole bunch of different things happening simultaneously. You got a 53-cent gain on Pfizer. It's one of the few, the Dow stocks that's higher. IBM is up $1. Apple is up 49 cents. Not much else green out there. A lot of red. eBay's up 3 cents. Not a lot going on. AT&T is up 3 cents to 19.98. There's nothing going on there. Boeing down 279 to 147.68. Alberto, those BAs just keep dropping. Intel down 48 cents. Micron down 136. Airbnb down 760. DoorDash down $1.70. Workday down 7. Moderna down 8.50. DraftKings down $1.30. Snowflake down 11.17. Netflix to 181 down $7. American Airlines down 77 to 17.78. So it's a red day. 215 is the drop on the Dow at the moment. We've got GameStop at 114.21 and make that 113.99. It just broke through 114 again on GameStop. Just got hit. There we go. What a day. Let's see here. Let's go. Here we go. I kept track on the back of an envelope this week. I'm going to try your method next, Bama Babe. Austin, Bama Babe, I keep a spreadsheet on all of my winning stocks. Pretty easy to manage as the sheet is blank right now. Adventures with Duncan, BYOB, bring your own babe, laughing out loud. Bama Babe, I think it's about time for a libation. There you go. Credit Savage. Nick, just buy it back and get the shares back. Your heart can't handle Texas Instruments. Laughing out loud. Splair, this week somehow I didn't even watch a lot of Seinfeld on Sunday. Mother's Day in Germany is now the last thing on my checklist before free time kicks in. FL, the short positions were mostly hedges with the exception of ARKK and CVNA. I'm more of a buy and hold kind of guy. Bama Babe, better keep track of losses, learning from mistakes. Let's see here. My BAs are hitting, says Alberto. H. Gregory drinking wine at 3:38 p.m. John, shutting down early, guys. Little league game with my son. Have a great weekend. To all the mothers in the group, happy Mother's Day. Let the libations begin, says H. Gregory. 22 minutes to go, and the Dow is only down 90. We've got a recovery coming here, a little attempt at a recovery on the Dow, a 90-point drop only from about 300. We'll see how this goes, if this has any legs to it. The NASDAQ, I'm not sure if it's participating in this. It's 178 lower, still down 1.45%. S&P down 24 points, down 0.6%. The Dow now down 0.35%. It's down 83 now. A little better on the Dow. There has got to be a computer buy program coming in here. I'm wondering if this is just an algorithmic hit, either to cover up shorts, or is it an attempt to try to rally this market? Does someone think there's a low has been baked in? I don't know. Down 97 right now on the Dow. S&P down 20, NASDAQ down 164. Oil up $2. That's the story at this moment. GameStop 114.92 to 99. SoFi 644 down 38 cents. Is there any strength to this little spurt, or is this just a one-off and it's going to give it up? We're down 93 right now on the Dow Jones at 32,904. We'll see what happens. We've got 20 minutes to go. Austin says, my wife pulled an Amber Heard and threw a vodka bottle at me. Richard Eves, got your donation on PayPal. Send me your 4 classes. What 4 classes would you like to have? Let's see. Alberto, I'm confused. I thought red meant green for the bagel familia. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's just come through a bunch of these comments. Oh, man. What else is going on here? Obviously, the bottle was empty. I mean, come on now. She's not going to throw a full bottle at me. Credit Savage. I have tamarind vodka chilling and a mango iced tea with some ice ready to get mixed with that vodka tonight. Oh, yeah, we're going to celebrate. She made a quick $800 too. Goldie and his manager, baby. DQ, where are you going, Cisco? My stink bin is in the other direction. What's happening here? DQ, happy Mother's Day to all. The Dow at the moment is down 97 points. It did get to within 60 or so of breaking even, but it's down now 102. We're down 20 on the S&P. I'm trying to get my iPad to refresh and catch up. It's behind here. We're down 21 on S&P. NASDAQ down 169 at the moment. The Dow down 94. GameStop 114.50. Had a little blip, but it's backing off again. SoFi 644 right here. Texas Instrument 167.19 down 194. And oh no. John Greco, John, send me an email. I will send you all 12 classes. I'll get you all 12. Down 101 now on the Dow, 101.98. S&P down 21. NASDAQ down 171 right now. All right. Oh man, if she loves you, she throws the full bottle. If she hates you, she throws the empty. Someone's in trouble. It's not me. 114.50 on GameStop. The Dow down 97.91. 103. Well, looks like 103 now. Watching this last, what do we got now? 18 minutes with these computer algorithmic programs running all over the place. Down 108 on the Dow, backing up a little more here. Let's see here. FL is saying, come on, GameStop, let's go down to 113 so we can pack this up and go home. Credit Savage, the missus and I will celebrate. What's that? Sam Autocorrect. The wife made a nice chunk of change buying back calls today as well. Birthdays were the worst days. Now we drink champagne when we're thirsty. Austin, I preferred the upper deck pool in the top of the toilet. What's this? Takes him a few days to find it, and smelling gets worse. I have no idea what this is. Don't forget to kiss your mom, says Duncan. There you go. Give her a hug. Let's see. H. Grigor, I can't wait to buy my June GameStop back calls back. Alberto, I'm kissing as many moms as I can. H. Gregory, Wu-Tang. Oh no. Yeah, DQ Austin. Someday I'll tell you the story of an upper decker gone wrong. Oh no. Down 130 now on the Dow. We're backing up again with 16 minutes to go. We're down S&P down 26 and NASDAQ down 185. SoFi 642 down 40. GameStop 114.35, backing up a little more at the moment. 114.35 on GameStop. Oh boy. We're down 92 on the Dow Jones. Texas Instruments 167.24, down $1.89. Okay, there you are, 114.35 on GameStop. Volume on GameStop now is 1.65 million shares. There you go. All right. All righty. All of you folks who've been sending in these donations to get your classes, I'll be taking care of that after I get off the air here. So stand by. You'll get your emails, and we'll get them out to you as soon as we can. And you can start studying this weekend. Get to work. 121.98 is the downdraft right now on the Dow, down 121.9. at this moment in time. Texas Instrument down 235 to 166.78. It's backing off right now again. ATIP 162 down 9 cents. Rocket Lab 650 down 28. SoFi 642 down 41 cents. GameStop 114.13 down $5. All right. What is happening here? There's comments I can't read. There's certain things I can't read. 114.34 on GameStop at the moment. We're down to 14 minutes to go on one heck of an interesting week for all of you out there. Never a dull moment this time. Anyway, H. Gregory, Uncle Bruce, do you think AMC will continue to drop? Or do you think there's some built-up energy to pop so we can write covered calls? Boy, I'll tell you, this AMC has just had the bejesus kicked out of it. This is the 3-month chart on AMC. Look at this. It had this meandering, then it bottomed out here in March. Then it took the shot in April there. That got it up into the 30s. I think it got up to 34 at one point up here, like a second, and then look at this complete fall off. And it's now, right back down to where it was before the run. So that's just eliminated billions of value. I mean, billions of dollars of value. $20 a share on what, 500 plus million shares? 10 is that 10 billion in value? Just gone. They didn't raise a dime during that run up. This run up was because of that mining deal they got involved with, that Highcroft mining thing. I'll tell you, it's just awful. Highcroft mining. You look at this thing. It was dead in the water before they did anything. Then they made the deal with AMC and Sprott, and it shot up to 330 for like a nanosecond, and now it's back to here, and it's coming back off too. Yikes. But again, that's to be expected on a small stock like that. That's not too outrageous. But boy, I don't know, my friend. H. Gregory, I really can't tell you. It's almost like AMC needs every movie to be a blockbuster just to break even, because interest rates are going up. Their costs are going to go higher. Their carrying costs of their debt is going to go up because they have some floating debt out there. I don't know, my friend. I just don't know. Austin is laughing. I laughed out loud about something. Dr. Walter Bruce, random question. Could you explain the difference between an index fund, a mutual fund, and a pension fund in plain English? An index fund is designed to mirror indexes like the Dow, the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, and all the sub-indexes. So you're investing in a fund to track indexes exactly, or as close to possible as exactly. A mutual fund is an old-fashioned, from the 50s and the 60s. It's an organization that attracts investors, and they will offer different kinds of funds that you buy units in, and they'll raise 20, 30, 40, 50 million bucks, manage it, and they might have a mutual fund that is a dividend fund that buys only dividend stocks. They might have a bond fund that only buys AAA credit bonds. They might have a junk bond fund that only buys junk bonds. They might have an index fund that buys and sells, just follows the indexes. That's a mutual fund. An index fund can be a mutual fund, or an index fund could be part of a mutual fund family of funds. And a pension fund is where you're working at an office, an organization, a company. You're a teacher, you're a firefighter, you're an employee at a corporation, and every paycheck, so much of your check, 2%, 4, 6, whatever percent you decide, goes into your pension fund, and the firm might match that with a donation equal to what you've put in. And the pension fund might be made up of a group of mutual funds, a group of index funds, a group of ETFs, which are another way of saying the modern day version of a mutual fund that's all publicly traded. Or it might be in the stock of the company you work for. So if you work for American Airlines for years and years and years, you would have been acquiring American Airlines shares over years and years of service. You would have been getting American Airlines shares. You might have been getting the same thing with IBM stock or with Apple stock or whoever you work for. All depends on the company and what options and choices they give you. That's what a pension fund is. If you're you're a teacher for the state of New York or in the province of Ontario in Canada, you're part of the teacher's pension fund of that area. And your dough is pumped into the pension fund, and you're acquiring units of the fund, and your money is making money because these pension funds make money with the money. And as you grow, the number of units and the value of your fund grows and grows and grows. There will come a point in time where you will want to take money out of the pension fund, which is after your retirement age, and the pension fund will pay you some sort of a monthly income or quarterly income based on how your structured fund is put together in the first place. And there is a million versions of them. That's a quick breakdown right there. 9 minutes to go. Austin, DQ, at least you learned what is not to do on your next UD. Let's see. What's going on with Bama? How are you doing today? Okay, what's going on here? DQ is explaining it. Uncle Bruce, BW. But GameStop is following the AMC in lockstep on the downtrend since early April. GameStop just has a higher stock price. You could be right. It's right now 115.10, 114.97. I think GameStop was $78 before the run of its own, but 114, 115.05 right now. Okay, Splair, only because they mine gold. Would SoFi produce gold as a national bank? It would skyrocket already. Okay, DQ, Dr. Walter, pension fund, something you and coworkers pay into for retirement, managed by a manager. Let's see. We are down to 8 minutes. That's right. I'm looking at the last 8 minutes. You got it, Duncan. We are. France, what's to expect from this market on Monday? Is this it? Is this the bottom? Is there more bad news to come to drag this market down? Uncle Bruce, help. Well, let's find out what happens in Ukraine. Let's find out about the COVID numbers in China. Let's find out about, how about the story we heard today a little bit about, I don't know if you know about this, but workers in the Apple factory have been hemmed up and locked up there for weeks. They basically rioted yesterday. They basically stormed past the government officials trying to keep them in there, and they want out. There is dissension in the ranks. We may hear a lot of that over the next little while. We'll keep an eye on that story. I don't know. The Dow's down 85 now. Another rally with 7 minutes to go. There's an attempted rally on the Dow right now. But the NASDAQ is still down 1.3%, down 160 points. The Dow Jones is on its own on this rally. I don't know if it's going to make it or not. It could just be a group of hedge funds trying to run the market. I don't know. I do not know. Spire hung in there all day, says Robert. Thanks, everybody, says Dr. Walter. Monday is Victory Day in Russia. I expect some fireworks, hopefully only the fun kind. Duncan, all me, so fly, guys. Robert, Matterport under 5, buy. DQ, Dr. Walter Bishop, I misread index fund as exchange traded fund. Sorry. Let's go. DQ, I keep missing, Nick, I keep missing the right time to short Carvana. Keep missing the timing. 89-point drop on the Dow. Texas Instruments down $1.40 to 167.73. SoFi 644 down 39 cents. GameStop 114.82, 114.62 right now. We're not going anywhere. GameStop just can't seem to get over 115 and hold it. How many options above 115 and above are there? Probably a ton. Excuse me, 81-point drop. Walter, we got you for a class. Send me a private email confirming your donation so that I can get your link for your class. We'll get you into that for tomorrow at 2 o'clock Eastern time. You're in class number 13 live with Jennifer and I tomorrow. The Dow down 75 points at the moment. Down 20 on S&P, down 158 on NASDAQ. Trying to update everything here. Gosh, my big ass iPad's having a tough time keeping up. We're down 98 on the Dow right now. 114.75 on GameStop at this point. Austin, Bruce, what's going on with Matterport? Obviously, it's going to go down with broader market, but $40 to $5. Good grief. Yeah, maybe it shouldn't have gone to 37 in the first place. Maybe it should have stayed in the 20s, 22 to 27, somewhere in there, and not gone that extra crazy mile because it was ahead of itself. And now here we are here with the markets. Hedge funds are just getting crushed out there. They're selling everything they've got to raise cash, and that includes SPACs, not just ours, all SPACs. There's got to be a bloodbath out there all over the place. The Dow now down 120 again with 4 minutes to go, 4 or 5 minutes. We're down 120 on the Dow again. Another wave of selling. What's going on? Man, oh man. Looking at, hang on a second, if I can get this to work. I need to go to here and looking at interest rates. We've got the 10-year note right now, 3.12%. That is at the high of the day, 3.123% for the US 10-year. The German 10-year, 1.13%. The UK 10-year, 1.967%. It was over 2% today. The UK is still a percentage point behind the US market. The euro is at 105.49 and the pound at 123.41. And that is why the British pound has gone from 130 to 123. The US rates are going higher and the British rates aren't going as high as the US rates. And that's what the pound is paying the price to keep interest rates lower than the US rates at the moment. Seems to be the game plan. Let's go. Not a lot of options above GameStop on above 115, so not sure why it's flat here. 114.49 right now on GameStop. 3 minutes to go. Anybody adding to Matterport? Aston wants to know. Thinking about buying another lot on this stuff. Let's see. What's going on? Austin, 15,000 shares is enough. Mirko, Austin did that on Wednesday, bought more. 96-point drop on the Dow with 3 minutes to go. SoFi, 644, down 39 cents. Texas Instruments, down 155 to 167.58. GameStop, 114.30, 114.49. Let's see. DQ, Uncle Bruce, Class 13 will be available on the website early next week, right? Can't make Saturday, darn needy kids. It'll be on the website probably next week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. It's all up to Emily getting it all figured out. So we'll have to get it loaded either just before we get on the plane or just after we get to the UK. So it could be by Wednesday or by Friday, Saturday. So just stand by, but it'll be up. Let's see. When SoFi goes next week to 950, I make $480. This would be really helpful, especially when it goes back like now between Wednesday and Thursday. Splair, you make $480, and that's great. Other people will make $4,800. Some will make $48,000. It's all good, but is it enough? Really? DQ is asking. You need to get the average down, says Austin to Mirko. We got 2 minutes to go. BW, U.S. Air Force, 117,000 options from 20 down to 15 on AMC, all expiring worthless. Yeah, when will buyers learn? Not that this group cares. We'll take their gambled wages. DQ, would you like to ask my wife about that question? We're down 77 on the Dow. It's trying to keep coming back. There's these programs coming in with a minute to go. There's a buy program in there. Will it do much? I don't know. We're down 86 now, but it's not down 400 points. That's for sure. GameStop did not recover. 114.30 did not recover, even with the Dow back, a ways from its low. SoFi 644 now, down 39 cents. 114.25 on GameStop. 114.42, somewhere in that neighborhood now is where we're trading at. Let's see. Watching the last minute now of the day, the Dow down 99 points right now. What a day, what a week. Congratulations to all of you option writers who have scored this week. Well done, everybody. Nice job. And there you go. Thank you for those of you who have picked up the 4 for 3 deal. Thank you for those of you who are registering for the class. We will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. At 2 o'clock Eastern time. If you want to get into the class, make a donation of $150 to my PayPal account. Send me an email saying, I want in, and we will add you and link you in. Larry has rung the bells to stop the day, stop the week. All option trading is done now. We're down 96 points on the Dow to close it out today. GameStop 114.55 to 70 looks like is the differences in pricing here. 114.59, 114.47. Just watching the last trades go through. It's beer o'clock, says Larry. Right on. Thank you, Larry from DQ. Got some more SoFi 641 to close the week out, says Coyote. Duncan, the bell is going, baby. And what a fascinating week it was, says Coyote. Absolutely. Enjoy the weekend, y'all, from Splair. Austin, Larry, what is on the menu? FL, well, this was a fun week. Enjoy your weekend with Uncle Bruce, and we'll see you on Monday. Vilbus, starting classes in the morning. The $967 I pocketed from conservative GameStop covered calls definitely has my wife's attention. How about that? Definitely has her attention. 114.55 last trade on GameStop. If you can make that every week, yeah, that's going to get your wife's attention. That's close to 50 grand a week, 50 grand a year right there. Wing Commander, read tomorrow's classes. How does it work? Will you send us a link tomorrow? Yep, I'll be sending a link to everybody who's registered for the classes. You'll get a link from me about 15, 20 minutes before we begin, and it'll be just like right here, except behind me, you're going to see a whiteboard. Jen and I will set that up tomorrow, and then away we go. You could ask questions, just type away, and Jen will be moderating all the comments while I just do my thing. And I'm looking forward to seeing you. It'll be fun. Class number 13. Fantastic. Vernon, have a great weekend, everybody. You too, Vernon. Thank you for your support. We're down 96 on the Dow. Looks like final trade with our final numbers here. Texas Instruments, 167.45 last trade on the day today. ATIP closed at 162, down 9. Rocket Lab 652, down 26. It's 670 in the after hours, up 18. I don't know if that's real or not. Rocket Lab just did that. Sorry, SoFi 644 last trade, down 39 today on 50 million, kind of average volume today for SoFi. GameStop 114.70, no change in the aftermarket, down 443 on 1.7 million shares. Not heavy volume at all. Twitter 49.80, down 57 cents. Carvana 46.51, down 241. AMC down 93 to 13.76. Matterport 4.98, down 34 cents. The low today 4.86. That was the low trade of the day, but we closed at 4.98. We're at $5 in the aftermarket. 7.9 million traded during the day today on Matterport. Sextera up 20 cents to 12.07. 23andMe 278 at the end of the day. 283 now in the aftermarket, up a nickel. 3.5 million traded today on ME. Spire 167, up 4 cents today, up a penny to 168 in the after hours. 672,000 on Spire today. Hycroft Mining down 7. Smart Rent down 7 cents at 436. 637,000 traded today. Pfizer gained 61 cents to 49.06. Hewlett Packard 37.10, down 81. Robinhood down 49 cents to 10.12. It recovered it got back over 10. Vanik down 241. Home Depot down 473 at 294. Had a bit of a recovery at the end of the day. It was at around 291, came back to close at 294. IBM gained $1.72 at 137.64. Would not back off today. Microsoft down 262. Apple up 74 cents. Goldman down to only 12 cents after it was all said and done. It almost broke even on a bit of a rush to 312.95. The low today, 306. What a day today on Goldman. Cisco down 28 cents at 49.33. Facebook down 4.51. Amazon down $32. Tesla down $7.60. And Google down $21. Bed Bath Beyond down to 12.07, down 69 cents. BlackBerry down 21 cents. Royal Caribbean 69.83, down 3.76 a share on Royal Caribbean. That stock in the last 3 months, we were at 88.05 February the 9th. 88.05. That's March, April, 3 months ago. 88 now, 69. Yikes. Still going lower, I think. What can I say? Target down 5.40. JP Morgan down 13 cents. Costco lost $14. Walmart down 3, Nvidia down $1.60, Disney down 221 to 110, American down 70 cents, and Netflix down $7 to 180, Moderna down $7 to 134. There you go, guys. There's your day, the week, the option series for this week. I sure hope you were able to score some profits this week on contracts. I suspect you probably did. And Larry Titus, I'm heading to Players Club, a 1970s rumpus room style bar, a barcade in DC. Eventually, Duncan, who's going to be in Saturday's meeting at 2 o'clock? Who's going to be there? Kent, it was a great week. Made one dumb mistake. At least the dumb panic mistakes are getting fewer and further between. I'm still learning. Thank you, Uncle B. Kent, you're getting better at it. Absolutely. It's obvious. Way to go. Vilbus, we are headed to Summit Brewery to sit on the patio and drink some beers. Have a good weekend, everybody. Austin, Larry Titus, you lucky dog. Have fun. Adventures of Duncan, boom, fireworks, Bruce. BW Larry, dressed in a plaid, let's see. Mr. T, have a great weekend, Uncle B, and everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all of those here in the chat. Let's see. Derby is tomorrow. That's right, Kentucky Derby. And Wing Commander spent $12,000 buying GameStop last week. This week's profit around $800. 15 weeks to recoup the investment. Numbers are fun. How about that? There you go. Guys, have a great weekend yourselves. If you're joining me tomorrow for the class, can't wait to see you. If you're interested in joining the class, send me an email, make a donation for $150 and send me an email. We'll get you registered in there. Otherwise, we'll see the rest of you on Monday as we get started for trading again. And we'll be on the air next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning. Looks like everything will be normal. And then after that, I'll keep you posted because we fly out Thursday to the UK. We'll be there Friday morning UK time, which will be in the middle of the night for us. And then we check into our hotel eventually, and hopefully I'll get on the air with a quality internet. I'll let you know. So you'll see me hopefully as well Thursday, Friday from the UK live, and away we go. So thank you, everybody, for your support. Kind words. Way to go, you successful option writers. Thank you for donations. Thank you for thumbs ups. Thank you for becoming members of the channel, including Gold Bagel members. Thank you all for that. I look forward to seeing you Monday. Stay healthy in the meantime. Let's get on it. And John, thank you, buddy. And Larry, have a great weekend and good luck with the classes, everybody. There you go. And we'll go from there. All right, guys. You guys take care. Goodbye from Calgary. And we'll talk to you real soon. We'll see some of you tomorrow for class number 13 right here, 2 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow afternoon. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.